Step 1. Verify roof is waterproof and clean for installation. Step 2. Verify height clearance is at least 2 5/8 inches or higher. Step 3. Verify slope of roof and all adjoining floors and doorways to ensure correct pedestals were ordered to reach desired finished floor height. Refer to provided Mbrico project shop drawings. Step 4. Place first row of pedestals, per provided layout, at your designated starting edge. Refer to provided Mbrico shop drawing suggested control or starting point for your project. Place pedestals 30-inch on center. Step 5. Adjust pedestal height to reach desired finished floor elevation. Each pedestal is threaded for adjustment up or down. Remember to account for the 1 5/8 inch of track and tile thickness. Step 6. Place your Mbrico offset L track into click adapter on top of pedestal. Press down until track clicks into pedestal click adapter. Step 7. To join two pieces of tracks together, attach an 8 inches aluminum sleeve connector with provided stainless screws. Pre-drill and place one screw on each side of 8 sleeve connector. The sleeve connector is used to connect to pieces of 12 feet track end to end as needed. Note, a pedestal needs to be placed at this connection. Step 8. Place the next row of pedestals per your layout at designated location. Offset row of pedestals 50% from previous rows so each row of pedestals are staggered. This eliminates any possible deflection in the system. Place pedestal 30 on center. Step 9. Adjust pedestal height to reach desired finished floor elevation. Each pedestal is threaded for adjustment up or down. Remember to account for the 1 5/8 of track and tile thickness. Step 10. Place Mbrico T-track into click adapters and press down to click tracks into the top of each pedestal. Refer to Step 7 for sleeve connectors attachment as needed. Step 11. Slide your Mbrico T-track and row of pedestals into position. The gap between the two prepared tracks should be 1/2 inch wider than the width of your ordered tile. For example, if using 20 by 20 for tile, the tracks will be 20.5 inches apart for this step until fully secured. Note: verify the 2 rows of tracks are level prior to installing tiles. Make any final adjustments to pedestals as needed before adding the weight of the tiles to the tracks. Step 12. Using a 1/8 inch drill bit, pre-drill track and cross brace before attaching with provided stainless screws. Repeat attaching cross brace under the track every 6 foot on center. 1 screw will be used at each intersection of 12-foot track and 12-foot cross brace channel. Step 13. Place a dab of the provided noise dampening adhesive onto the tracks where all 4 corners of the tiles will sit on each track. The adhesive dab should be approximately the size of a quarter. Step 14. Place a row of Mbrico tiles at the designated location in between both rows of track and pedestals. Step 15. Using a rubber mallet or a dead blow hammer, slide the Mbrico tile, track, and pedestals towards your previous track until all tile grooves are fully seated in the tracks and your 2 tracks are snug and parallel. Step 16. Verify with a laser or level that all tiles are sitting level and free from movement before moving to next row. Step 17. Attach 12-foot cross brace channel to T-track. There will be only 1 screw per intersection of track and cross brace. Remember to pre-drill track and cross brace for easier fastening. Step 18. Repeat steps 8 through 17 until you reach the final row of tile. Step 19. Place final row of pedestals in position and verify all heights and level. Allow for an inch and 5/8 of track and tile thickness for appropriate final system finished floor elevation. Step 20. Add final row of tile. Cut offset L track 1/2 inch shorter than the length of 2 or 3 tiles and place in the pedestal click adapters. Step 21. Using one provided screw, pre-drill and attach your final row of tracks to cross brace channel underneath the track. Step 22. Place dabs of provided Mbrico adhesive onto track where all 4 corners of tile will sit on tracks. Step 23. Slide tile from track and into designated location. Repeat previous step and this step to complete this segment of tracks. Step 24. Repeat steps 20 to 23 until you reach the final set of tile. Step 25. Cut the bottom lip of the last set of tiles with a porcelain blade. Remove the bottom lip of a grooved edge tile. Step 26. After applying for adhesive dabs on the tracks, slide the final set of tiles grooved edge into your T-track and gently place down cut edge onto offset L track. Repeat these 2 steps to finish final set of tiles. For projects with wind uplift requirements, install optional ledger base board around entire Mbrico system perimeter, ledger base supplied by others.